Alright guys, today we are practicing our offhand shooting. I got skunked on this lane in my last tournament, so I came out here today to practice. My goal is to try to knock down this target at least 5 times before I leave today. So let's see what I can do. This squirrel is at 20 yards, so not too difficult of a shot, but these offhand shots for me are what I need to practice on the most. I guess I should turn my gun on, huh? Hey, there's one. First shot, knocked it down, so that's a good sign. All right, there's one. Swing and a miss. There's two. There's 3. Wow, 3 out of 4 shots so far. It's not bad. Gets harder. The more shots you do, holding this gun up for a while is not easy. This is not a light rifle. There's 4. One more. All right, here we go. Five, heck yeah, got it. That was not as hard as I thought. I think I got probably about 5 out of 8 shots, so not too bad. All right guys, so now we are on the kneeling lane. I have a little butt pad here that I'm using as a knee rest. And same thing as I was doing on the standing lane. My goal is to get 5 knockdowns before I leave before the end of the day. So let's see what we can do. my side wheel here on my scope is kind of in the way of loading the pellets, so it's a little bit difficult, but I figured it out. Alright, there's one. Alright, 2 in a row. This target is at about 20 yards and it has a kill zone of about an inch, I believe. Third shot was a miss. That was a horrible shot. Shouldn't have even pulled the trigger on that one. There we go. 3. This is definitely the type of shooting where I need the most practices, is my kneeling shots and my standing shots. Alright, there's 4. One more. There's 5. Alright, cool. 5 shots. Daystate MK4 Panther 177.